Forex, and in this video I'm going to show you what you should keep your eyes on if you are trading gold XAUUSD in the month of August. I'm going to be giving you the key levels you should focus on and also the trades you may expect to happen more often on gold in this new month. So everything I'm going to show you here is going to make you some good money if you are very smart and you know exactly what you do in the market. What's good? Welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I'm your host, Baby Forex, and in this video, I'm going to show you what you should keep your eyes on if you are trading gold XAUUSD in the month of August, right? So the new month is about to begin, so I thought of bringing you guys what you should keep your eyes on, especially for those who trade gold. I'm going to be giving you the key levels you should focus on and also the trades you may expect to happen more often on gold in this new month. So everything I'm going to show you here is going to make you some good money if you are very smart and you know exactly what you do in the market. So let's quickly get right into it. So for those who are trading gold, the first thing I would like to explain to you is you need to go all the way to your daily to understand what the daily looks like. But before I go to daily, let's quickly go all the way to the weekly. Let's go all the way to the weekly to understand what we have on the weekly time frame. Let's delete this. So on the weekly here, you can see what we have here on the weekly. What I simply want you to know is that the weekly, we want to look at the candlesticks, right? We are focused on just the candle patterns that we have on the weekly time frame. And when you look at what we have here, these are rejection candles. All of these are rejection candles. You can see we have a lot of rejection candles, good looking rejection candlesticks on the weekly time frame. And the most recent one right here is the pin bar candle, right? This is the shooting star candlestick we have right here. So this simply signifies the possible bearish activities to happen in the market. Keep in mind, this is just the weekly time frame, and we just want to see the kind of candlesticks we have on the weekly. Well, let's break it all the way down. Let's go all the way to the daily time frame and see what the D1 says to us. So the D1 here, you can see here we have a bullish trend. The D1 here is clearly a bullish trend, right? This is clearly a bullish trend. So based on this bullish trend, all we need to pay attention to is the move right here. So the D1 currently is testing a very good level, and this is the key level on the D1. This is the first key level you should pay attention to if you trade gold in the month of August. So you need to mark out this key level and keep it right on your chart. And the other key level you should also watch out for would be somewhere around this low right here. So you need to mark this level also and keep it right there on your chart. So these are key levels on gold that you need to keep your eyes on if you trade gold, especially in the month of August. And another key level would be all the way down here, but price is not here at the moment. So I'm not really focused on this other one. So I will simply focus on the more recent levels we have on gold right now. So we have the alternate high over here, and then we have the low right here. So based on the bullish trend we have on the daily time frame, and with this move over here, this is more likely a triple top market formation. This is more likely a triple top market formation, and from this formation right here, you may expect a lot of downward movement on gold. And with this possible downward movement, you need to be able to know how to pick the right entry price or where to expect this trade to happen from. So this is where the top-down analysis becomes very, very important to you. So we are not simply going to be taking trades right on the D1. So we have to break it all the way down to the smaller time frames to be able to pick out the right entry price and the right trends on the smaller time frame. So let's break it all the way down to the H4 time frame. Let's look at what the H4 looks like. So the H4 here, this is what we have on the H4. The 4-hour time frame. Price was on a bullish trend. Previously, you can see what we have here. Price was creating a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So the higher low, higher high continued all the way to this high, and then price reversed right over here. So price reversed to a downside. So currently, you have what looks like a downward trend, a bearish trend. But the key levels we are more interested in is the levels right here. So these are the key levels you should pay attention to if you are trading gold in the month of August. This level right here and the high over here, and likewise we have a low down here. So these are very important key levels for day traders if you are trading gold, especially in the month of August, you need to pay attention to this key level. You really need to pay attention to this level. So mark out these levels on your chart. You simply need to mark them out on your chart because these are the places your trades are going to be coming from. These are the places your trades are going to be coming from. So for day traders, you have to pay attention to these key levels. These are really gold. I'm giving you guys like golden nuggets right now. So mark out these key levels and keep them right there on your chart. So let's do it over and let's break it down all the way to the H1 and see what the H1 looks like. The H1 here, what you see here, it's a very clean and clear downtrend, right? So price has been making lower highs all the way to this place. So price created this low here, and then we had a little correction, and then price created a new low, we got a little correction, and then price created another low right here. So from this low over here, we can see right now that price has given us some good correction. And from this correction here, price is also testing a really good place based on this current trend. And the current trend we have here is a downtrend, right? This current trend, this is the immediate trend right now on the H1, which is a downtrend. So based on this downtrend, this is a key level you should watch out for, right? You have to pay attention to this key level, which means you may have a very good shot come out from this W level. Like I told you, I'm going to expose all the key levels you need to look out for on gold, especially if you're trading gold. But in the month of August, the ultimate high right here, I have the ultimate high, and also I have a little level right here. So all these are good places you have to watch out for as long as you trade gold in the month of August. These are key levels that you need, right? These are key levels. So let's quickly take a minute to hit that like button, subscribe to this video, and leave a comment on your perspective on gold, what you see happening on gold. Leave your comments on it in this very video. I want to see everything you have going on as far as gold is concerned. So let's also share ideas. Let's try to connect and try to bounce ideas off each other based on what we may expect to happen on gold. So leave that comment right there and smash that like button, subscribe right now. So let's get going. Let's get going to the M30. I would love to break it down to the M30. On the M30 time frame, what do we have? We have something which is quite interesting on the M30, because the first thing you would notice on the M30 is price is actually on the bullish trend formation, right? This is a low time frame. The M30 is one of the low time frames. So currently we have a little bullish trend formation on the M30. And with this bullish trend formation, we have price doing something like this, and then like this, right? This is a classic bullish trend formation right now on M30. If you are going to be trading gold in the month of August, these are key levels you need to pay attention to. So for the M30 time frame, the key levels you want to pay attention to are these places right here. These are the key levels that you need to watch out for on gold in the month of August. So watch out for these key places, because these are where you're going to be taking your trade. Depends on the kind of trend you have, you should know when to enter and you should know when to close, right? You simply get into trades at any of these places and close at the next one, right? So for example, if you had short from this side, this could be your first TP, this could be your second TP, right? And for as long as you have a good risk to reward, I believe this remains a very good trade. So let's watch out for these places on gold. On M30, these are what you need, right? So I've given you the key levels on each time frame. So M30, these are the key levels that you need. And let's not forget that on the H1, we have a strong formation on the H1. We have a really strong formation on the H1 because the H1 gave us, let's mark this up. So let's drop that right there, and then let's go all the way back to the H1. So the H1 here, this is what we have. You can see the M30 and the H1 have a very good level alignment right there. So the H1 also is a good key level right there. So we should be looking at some very good moves from that key level. So H1 key levels are the levels you have right here. These are the H1 key levels, right? This level, and this level, of course, right? These are H1 key levels. And let's also see if we have a good trend line. So your trend line, you have something like this, which has already been broken. So this is not valid anymore. So we can delete that right away. And if you trade gold, these are the key levels that you need to focus on if you trade gold in the month of August. So simply watch out for these key levels. Watch out for this. This is the M30 key level. M30 you have this M30 levels, you have this level right here, and you have the ultimate high right here. So these are key levels. All you need to do is to focus on the more recent one and then keep your eye on your next target, of course. So like I told you, this is just to educate you guys, show you what we expect from these levels. When price get there, depends on the kind of trend you have at the time. You should know that this is a key level and you may expect some kind of market movement when price gets to those levels. So that is really everything about this session. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe. If you like this comment, be sure to engage on this video, so it's motivating me to bring you more and more of this kind of content. So thank you all for joining me so far on this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.